Hey guys, welcome to my first Asia vlog. I'm leaving to the airport right now. Gonna go meet Avery. Yeah, I'm really scared, but you know, YOLO. So we're at the airport, had a little goodbye, and now we're here for like 3 hours before we get on the plane, and we're just on this little thing, you know how it is. Got our bag in the front, bag in the back, got Avery, let's get it. So we've been waiting in our waiting area for how many hours? 3 hours. We board. We're supposed to be boarding right now, but doesn't seem to be happening yet. I'm trying to be slick with my camera because there's a lot of people. So we got off our first flight. On a scale from 1 to 10, how was the flight, Avery?
Not bad.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
6?
Yeah. Give us 6.
Better than like our flight home from LA.
Oh my god, that was the worst flight I've ever had in my life. I absolutely thought I was gonna die, but yeah, this flight wasn't that bad. I'm kind of like confused on like what time I'm supposed to be. I don't know if I'm supposed to be asleep right now or what. So I'm gonna guess that we go to sleep early probably tonight. We had some yummy food on the plane that was unexpected and we were confused by. And then now we're in Taipei and our flight was in like an hour and a half or something. And then we're arriving in Chiang Mai, Thailand. So we have made it. We're in Chiang Mai, Thailand. We're in our hostel. It's so cute. It's like not really giving it justice right now. It's like very minimalistic. Yeah. But like that's Avery's bed. This is my bed. This is our view like of the market and everything. It's so cute. We're gonna lock our stuff up in there. But yeah, my grandparents picked us up from the airport. We didn't have any issues with customs. We were very worried about that. My grandma's picking us up in like an hour and a half. And we're gonna go walk around. We need to get SIM cards, etc, etc. We're gonna change. Oh my god, I look so awful.
Oh, I don't know how to do that.
us at lunch, for a very late lunch. We walked around with my grandparents for like an hour or something. More than that actually, probably. And they showed us around, and now we're at the art cafe. We got spring rolls and ordered pad thai, and it's gonna be a good time. Good morning. So we survived our first day. We went to bed kind of early, actually not that early, like 10:30. I took 2 melatonins and just passed out. You told me you're taking gravel. And then we woke up at like kind of early, like I woke up at like 6:30. Same with Avery, I think. And now we're just getting ready. My grandparents are picking us up in like an hour to go to some market. And then we're gonna get food or something, and then we're gonna do some things with some fish, I think. Oh, did I show the hostel? I think I did. Well, now 2 old men have decided to join our hostel room, and I don't know. I don't really know one of them, but the other one, I don't know any of them, but I mean, I don't think I like them. But it's fine. We just can't really talk in here anymore. Just walking through the market, and we stopped, and Avery got coffee, and she's in the bathroom, and I'm drinking it. Got little fake Adidas slip-on slides for the shower and the beach. Hers are black, mine are red, in case you're colorblind. Yeah, and then I got this little choker, and it's so cute. It's just black, and then it has like Dior and like little letters. The chain, I don't know, I've just seen these everywhere, and I think they're so cute. Obviously it's not real either, but it's just really cute.
Got a dress.
Okay. Very nice. And how much was it?
100 baht.
So $4. Wow. Wow. These I got, there's these adorable little Chanel clips. I got 2 in black and 2 in white because I couldn't decide which ones I wanted. And these were each $20. 20
Sunglasses are like pretty much like the ones I have already, but they're a bit bigger, and they were 50 baht, so $2.
So that's our haul. It's pretty. Now we're gonna take a shower and then go get our feet eaten by fish.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Wow, ha ha ha. Có lấy đó. Ngắm tay ngắm vào. Chưa ngờ mua là. Đẹp lại đó. Đẹp lại. Còn nó có vào. Có tủ đây là. Okay. Okay, you nai basa, cô nai basa.
Nai basa. Chị chú là. Okay. Thank you.
just chilled in our Airbnb for a while. Oh, Airbnb, no, hostel.
Sounds so lame. We did a lot today.
No, we did. I vlogged it. They'll know. And now we're just at this little street eatery. We're sitting outside and we ordered Thai food. And then I'm probably gonna end the vlog for day 1 to whatever, how many days here. The first vlog, because I'm just gonna do that. And tomorrow we're seeing elephants, so that'll be another vlog maybe. So yeah, I'll show you guys the food when it gets